Welcome to Virtual Open House. This is Miss Lefebvre, and I teach 7th grade math. I'm going to start by telling you a little bit about me. First, I know my name is spelled crazy, y'all, but it's pronounced Luh-Fave, and my joke is that that's pronounced fave because I'll be your favorite teacher. So that leads me into I love corny jokes. So come at me with your best cheesy jokes, especially if they're about math. I went to Monroe Middle and Monroe High School, graduated from Monroe High School in 2001. And so it's awesome to be teaching at Monroe. I went to Appalachian State. Here's a picture of our mascot. I live in Monroe now with my husband, and then that's my daughter, Jules. She is 2.5. I love sports, football. Soccer is a huge sport that I love, and then volleyball. Football, my favorite team is the Green Bay Packers. And at school, I have coached Math 24. That's the card you see here. I love math games and logic puzzles. And I've been teaching now at Monroe Middle for 8 years. This is my teacher mentor. That's me dressed as Miss Frizzle from the Magic School Bus. If I can make our class even a little bit as much fun as Miss Frizzle, then I feel like I'm doing my job well. So that's a little bit about me. Let's talk about our class. Here's a picture of what you'll see on the door coming in. In our class, we are mathematicians from start to finish, and we're going to be doing all the things that mathematicians do, and that includes making mistakes. So in our class, we embrace a growth mindset. We learn from the mistakes that we make, even the mistakes that I make. So we'll talk about that a lot. Here's what the setup looks like last year. This year, obviously, it'll be a little bit different, but that just gives you a feel for what the space looks like. We'll have the in-person space, but the most important part of our course this year is going to be Canvas. That's going to be your lifeline for everything, for every subject. But all of our lessons will be in Canvas. You'll submit work through Canvas. Videos will be there. Our word wall will be there. So this is what's going to help our community stay together even when you're not physically in the classroom. The materials that you'll need to be successful, besides your Chromebook and a charger, you're going to need pencils. We are not trying to share materials with the current state of COVID. So please have your own pencils that you keep up with. You'll need one composition notebook, a pair of earbuds. We highly recommend a small dry erase board, and then a dry erase marker or a few dry erase markers. And these things, you can find all these at Dollar General or Family Dollar. I even found some little dry erase pockets at the dollar spot at Target. If you have questions about the materials, just reach out to me. Here is one really great way to stay in touch with me and what's going on in our class. So I've made an app. So if you pull up your cell phone right now and you put in this website here, tinyurl.com/math7app. And then on that screen, there's going to be a link here that you'll click, and it'll help you bookmark this. And when you bookmark it to your phone, it'll operate kind of like an app. And so what you'll have on there, you can contact me. It links you to our syllabus, my email, and the phone numbers you can reach me at. There will be weekly updates so you can see what your students are doing that week. A really quick, easy way to access it. Links here that are helpful. This will give you some math-related links like family math challenges you can do. Khan Academy, where you can get awesome videos for tutoring for math. But it also has links to help you set up your access to Canvas, your Power School. So definitely check this out. Like I said, it's a great way to stay in touch with me, and it'll be an easy, quick tool for you to use. So that's the quick version of everything. I really can't wait to meet you and teach you math. And I look forward to seeing you in person on the 17th or the days after that. Bye.